Okay guys, so excited to share this bookshelf because it is so adorable. I'm absolutely loving this Dutch-inspired design. It looks so cute in my child's room. Honestly, it would actually match with any decor. It's the perfect height so your little one could easily just go ahead and grab a book of their choice. And as you can see, there's plenty of space for all the books. You can put toys or any other essentials. And let's not forget the nice rounded corners, the sturdy construction. It really gives me peace of mind. It was really well thought out and really well made. And just to give you a closer look at the shelf, I did decide to leave off the backboard. As you can see, the bottom comes with a backboard. I left mine's off only because I wanted to be able to easily access this socket here. So I left mine's off, but it did come with the board to easily put, and it was very easy to assemble. Let me mention that too. Another thing I love is how easy it is to clean. Just go ahead and grab a wipe it wherever you need. You know how it is when things get all dusty. So really simple to clean. 1, 2, 3, you're done. So if you're looking for a stylish and functional bookshelf for your kids' room, I would say that this one is definitely a great choice.